Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to connect a gas heater to the gas cylinder. Please note that I'm not an expert when coming to this, guys, and necessary precautions should be taken when working with gas. I'm just going to share my experience on how I connected it. Okay, I tried checking on the instruction manual, but it was not clear enough to me, so I'm thinking there could be another person out there who's trying to connect, but the manual is also not clear to them. So I'm just going to share on how I did this and in my experience. Okay, the first thing that you will see inside, once you have unboxed the heater, is two pairs of wheels. Okay, they're giving us two pairs of wheels, and each wheel has a little wrench. Each of the pairs has a little wrench inside that you're going to use to screw in your wheels. And then now I've just turned the heater upside down because I want to insert the wheels. Just insert them clockwise, in a clockwise direction. After inserting, you take a little wrench and then you just ensure that they are tight. Now that all is done, just going to remove this back cover. For this you just need a small star screwdriver. Then I'm removing that leaflet there. Then I'm going to connect my gas cylinder to the gas heater. Okay, I'm just going to remove that plastic cover there, and then I'm going to connect the gas to the gas heater through the regulator. I'm connecting the regulator to the gas, and here you must ensure that there are no leaks. If you smell gas around, then you should know that it's not properly connected. Or if you hear a hissing sound after you've released gas from the cylinder, then you should know that it's not properly connected. Proper care should be taken when connecting these. There are warnings and precautionary measures on the instruction manual that you should follow while connecting or using this heater. Okay, now that everything is properly connected, just going to insert the back cover here, still using that star screwdriver. Okay, everything has been connected. Now it's time to test the heater. So okay, so to switch it on, you just put that arrow should point on that one first flame. Press it down gently and then press the igniter, which is the red button, and then to switch it to 2 bars, just turn it to 2 flames, and then so on with the 3. Then to switch it off, you just turn the arrow back to the off position. Okay, our gas heater is burning nicely there. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. I hope it helps a lot. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.